Day 16 was an absolute corker. The last few days have been grueling. They've taken a massive toll on my legs, on my back, on my mind. It was really draining. So for day 16, walking through the Mount Remarkable National Park in beautiful glowing sunshine, only 12 kilometers, was incredible and so needed in lots of different ways. And now that I'm here in Melrose to enjoy a well-earned day's rest, I am extraordinarily happy and so happy to be here. So the day began with a bit of a steep climb, but that only lasted for maybe half an hour, but the next 2-3 hours was all downhill. So there aren't too many days like that on the trek. Usually it's a little bit up and down, but today was good. And there was a lot of good feelings around today, because it got me thinking about the time that I was here on year 10 camp, and there was so many good memories that came from that time, which was about 15 years ago, which is a bit shocking, but so it's fantastic memories, and they're memories that I don't reminisce about enough, and I'm sure there's plenty of other thoughts that will conjure up over the next 44 days, but this one was good. Today was a good day. Today was a great day, and it finished catching up with a couple of guys I hadn't seen for a long time, being Alex and Celia, a couple of old Barossa alumni. They made their way up to do a couple of days trekking through Alligator Gorge, and we caught up for dinner, and they shouted me a palmy, much to my insistence that they shouldn't, but they wouldn't take no for an answer. So thank you so much to those guys for coming down, having a massive conversation with me as well. Easily the biggest and most in-depth conversation I've had since I've been on the walk. It's been a great day, and tomorrow's rest day is probably going to equal that, because there's going to be a lot of sleeping, there's going to be a lot of eating, and there's going to be still a little bit of walking, because I want to get up and watch the sunrise tomorrow. That's tomorrow Josh's thing to think about. At the moment, I'm ready for bed. I will talk to you tomorrow. Catch ya.